بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 7. Today we will continue our lesson of yesterday, area of composite figures practice. I want from all to prepare your notebook to work with me, please. The question here: find the area of each figure. If necessary, use 3.14 for the pi and round to the nearest hundredths. طيب, we have exercise number 1. You have 5 minutes. I want from all to try to find the area of the composite figure. Start, please, and tell me what is your answer.
Mister, the answer will be 153.42.
Okay, maybe, Leanne, thank you. Who has different answer? Lamar, what is your answer?
Mister, I'm still trying to solve it.
Okay, I'll wait you. Fatima, Aliazia, Taif, Selma.
I am not sure, but it will be 144.
What is your name?
Fatma.
Fatima. Okay, thank you, Fatima. Okay, listen to me here. Here we have semicircle. The area of the semicircle will be 1 over 2 pi r squared. and the r, the distance between the center of the circle and the point from the circumference. طيب, how to know the radius? We have the diameter 12. So the radius will be the half of the diameter. 12 divided by 2 will be 6. So the radius equals 6. Then down here we have rectangle. As you remember, the area of the rectangle will be length times width. We have the length here the same, which means this is not rectangle, this is what? This is squared. What is the area of the squared? A squared. So now we can calculate. We want to find the area of the figure. So the area will be the area of the semicircle. We have here 1 over 2 times pi will be 3.14 times r squared. R will be 6. 6 squared means 6 times 6 will be 36. Plus the area of the square here, a squared means 12 squared. 12 squared means 12 times 12. 12 times 12 will be 144. So up here, we want to multiply 3.14 times 36 divide by 2. So the answer here will be 56.52 plus 144. So the area will be 200.52 yards squared. Who has any question here?
No question.
Okay, now I want from all to try to solve number 2, please. Start, please.
So the answer maybe will be 21.
Okay, thank you, Leon. Who has different answer?
Yes, sir, I have the same answer, 21.
Okay, thank you, Lamar. Fatima, what is your answer? Taif, what is your answer? Selma, Aliazia.
Sir, can you give me one more time? I mean, the end.
Okay.
Sir, I got 21 feet squared.
Thank you, Fatima. Who has different answer? Okay, listen to me, please. Here we have, in this figure, in this composite figure, we have two triangles. This is the first triangle, and here the second triangle. So the area, the first triangle here will be 1 over 2 multiplied by here the base 6 and the height will be 5. 6 times 5 will be 30 plus the area of this triangle will be 1 over 2, and here the base and here the height. 4 times 3 will be 12. Now 30 times 130 divided by 2 will be 15, plus 12 times 112 divided by 2 will be 6. Now 15 plus 6 will be 21 feet squared. Okay, who has any question here?
No questions.
Try to find or to solve exercise number 3. Start, please.
Mister, it will be 145.
Okay,
I mean,
thank you, Fatima. Who has different answer?
Mister, I get it 300.
Okay, thank you, Selma. Who has different answer? Layan, what is your answer? Lamar, Taif.
Mister,
Yes.
can you go back at the survey?
Okay. Taif, are you here?
Yes, Mister, I'm here.
Mister, here down, is this trapezoid or what?
Here down we have trapezoid, and up here we have parallelogram. Okay.
Okay. Mister, how to find the area of trapezoid?
We have a rule: base 1 plus base 2 divide by 2, then multiply by the height.
Mister, maybe the answer will be 133 centimeters squared.
Okay, thank you, Layan. Taif, what is your answer? Lamar, what is your answer?
Mister, is it okay if I send it like wrong?
Maybe, thank you. طيب. Check with me, please. Up here we have parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram will be base times height. Base times height. And down we have trapezoid. The area will be base 1 plus base 2 over 2 times the height. This height different than this height, so I will name it here H1 and here H2. Now, what is the base in the parallelogram? As you see, the base will be 10 times the height. The height will be 5 plus here down base 1 7 plus base 2 14. 7 plus 14 will be 21 over 2 times, this is the height of the trapezoid, will be 6. Now 10 times 5 will be 50. And here we can divide 21 by 2, then multiply by 6, and we can divide 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 will be 3, then 3 multiplied by 21 will be 63. Now 50 plus 63 will be 113 centimeter squared. Who has any question here?
No question for me.
Mister, I have a question.
Yes, tell me please.
Miss, in the 21, I don't understand. How did you get that? How did you get that?
Okay.
Yes.
We can do two methods here. We can do 21 divided by 2 will be 10.5. 10.5 multiplied by 6 will be 63. Or we can do the easy way. We can do 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 will be 3. 3 times 21 will be 63. Okay?
Okay.
Now I want from all to try to solve number 4, please.
Mister, I have a question. Do we have here like 2 triangles or 1?
2 triangles.
Mister, I am not sure, but it will be 10.
Maybe, thank you, Fatima, who has different answer.
Mr. Maybe 59.25.
Maybe. Thank you, Layan. Who has different answer?
Mr. Maybe 56.25.
Thank you, Lamar. Maybe. Thank you. Who has different answer? Aliazia, Taif.
Mister, I think 25. No way.
Okay, check with me, please. And as you see here, we have semicircle. Here we have semicircle. And as you see, this is the radius. So we can write A equal the area of the semicircle will be 1/2 times pi times the squared radius plus we have here the triangle and we have here the congruent triangle. So we have two congruent triangles. So we can multiply by 2 times the area of the triangle will be 1/2 multiply by the base here, the same radius, times 5 multiply by the height will be 4. Then substitution. Here we have 1/2 times the pi will be 3.14 times r squared means 5 squared. 5 squared means 5 times 5 will be 25 plus here 2 times 1/2 will be 1. 2 times 1/2 will be 1 and 5 times 4 will be 20. Now here we want to multiply 25 times 3.14, 25 times 3.14, then divide by 2. So the answer will be 39.25 plus 20 plus 20. So the answer will be 59.25 feet squared. Who has any question here?
No question.
Sure.
Sure.
I will send this extra practice as a homework today, inshallah, and try to solve it. Then resend to me, and the deadline tomorrow morning, inshallah, before 10 a.m. You can start your solving from number 5. You want to solve number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. And here it's up to you if you want to solve it or not, no problem. You can try to find number 9, number 10, number 11. Type no need here. Number 13 and 14, no need, no problem. So number 11 and the 12 no need. Number 11, number 10, number 9, it's up to you. If you want to solve it or not, it's up to you. But from 5, I want from all to solve it. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? And if you want to solve 9 and 10 and 11, it's up to you. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Let us to take attendance now. Aliazia. Aliazia. Aliazia.
Eliza is absent.
Absent. طيب. Beka. Beka. Beka.
She's absent.
Sarah.
She's absent too.
Selma.
Here.
طيف.
Here, Mr.
عفرة.
She's not here.
Absent. Fatima.
Here.
Namar.
I'm here.
Lian. Who has any question now?
No questions.
Sure?
Mister,
Yes.
are you gonna give us like tomorrow a homework? Like we don't have a class, but are you gonna like put a homework tomorrow?
You cannot do it for tomorrow or you can?
No, Mister, I'm asking, are we gonna have a homework tomorrow?
Yes, we have. I explained
But
to
we
you.
don't have a class.
Start from number 5 because we solved number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Start from number 5 to number 11. Okay?
No, Mister, I mean another homework. Will we have another homework?
No, just the same exercises of today.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. No
Bye,
questions?
Mister. Have a nice
Bye. Okay, this is our video today.
Have a nice day.
Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.
Have a nice day.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Have a nice day for all.